Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Libras, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. Libras, we are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, Libras. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, guys. Libras. If you want more clarity, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general energy, guys. So let's start with these cards. So we have key, scythe, and lady. And it may be in your career situation, guys, Libras, or in your personal life today. Maybe this person you love, they have huge aspirations or dreams for themselves, guys, and they are working towards those goals they have, and maybe they are not interested in love, so they want to achieve something for themselves, then they want to get committed to you deeply. So maybe if you are interested in marriage or engagement, that may not happen right now, guys. You need to wait, Libras. And for some of you guys, I see that you are seeing some huge changes in your career situation or in this relationship. So all that things that are not working for you guys, you are going to move away from it. Maybe this person you love, you may be having a break away from them, guys, or they may move away from you for work or some other reason. So some kind of separation you may feel, isolation you may feel today, some changes, huge changes happening in your life today, guys. And I also see that there may be some difficulties, Libras, but all that is going to resolve. Things are going to fall into place. You may see some troubles, but just like how these troubles came, these situations are again going to resolve, guys, and you may find things needed to resolve these difficult situations in your life today, guys, Libras. So whatever is missing, you are going to find that, guys, and you are going to be happy that you have finally come out of this difficult situation in your life, guys. So let's see what is the card for your relationship, guys. We have Rider. Such a positive card here, guys. So in your relationship with this person you love, you are going to get an important message or important news, or someone is giving you an important message. So it may be something very positive, guys, for your Libras, I see. So this person has decided on some things, and they are letting you know about it, guys. So that is the energy with this card. A very positive, or it may be a positive change. Maybe this person has their mind set on their goals and aspirations, and they are changing it for you for this love. So some positive changes are happening today in your situation, guys, Libras. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. Ring. So again we see that you are moving in a positive way in your career too. You may be signing some important deals, agreements, or whatever it is, guys. Maybe some work related positive changes you are seeing today, guys, Libras. So that is the reading, guys. If you want more clarity, Stay tuned for that pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. So this is your first card, this is your second card, and this is your third card. You can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds in silence, then open your eyes and choose the card, or we have these crystals. So we have 3 crystals. You can either think with the cards or the crystals. So go for that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with the first card for you all after a few seconds. Okay, guys, so now let's start with the first card. I will keep these cards aside. So for those who have chosen this card and this crystal, let's see what it is. It is Sacred Convergence. So with this card, the energy is that, guys, in your life now, right now, there is a great progress happening, guys. Something that is helping your soul to grow, or there is some kind of divine awakening. So you are asked to drop the barriers or defenses you have towards the people you feel good with. Maybe there are friends and family members you feel really comfortable with, happy to be with. And however, there are few people who are maybe inspiring you in a negative way. They are involving you in some kind of a blame game, trying for that manipulation, something that is dampening your spirit or dragging you down. So you need to step away from that, guys, and you need to feel nourished when you are with people you love, and share yourself without fear. Just be without any plans. Just do your part. Everything is going to happen at the right time, guys. And there is a great spiritual gift being presented to you now, guys. And this oracle also comes with a special guidance that there is a possibility of a very positive relationship happening today in our situation, guys. And growth of love. So just you need to make that choice. Trust yourself and your intuition, and then make the choice. So that way you will get lucky. You will find the person you simply love to be with whom you feel really nourished and happy. So that is the energy, guys. So maybe for some of us, when we step away from people who have a negative impact on us, we are going to lose many people, and there are just going to be few honest, truthful people in our situation. But we need not worry. These people are our soul family, guys, and they are going to nourish our souls, make us emotionally complete. So that is the reading, guys, with this card for those who have chosen this card. So let's see what is the reading with the second card. This is your second crystal, and this is your second card, guys. So it is amber. So with this crystal spirit, it just means that whatever lessons that we have learned with our experience, our past experience, we always have a choice in our relationship whether we can stay or move away, to learn, to grow, or to move on to a new relationship. So if you want a different kind of a relationship, and if you want it next time, you need to understand what went or what happened in your past relationship, guys. So those lessons or that wisdom is going to help you to avoid repeating the pain again in this present relationship or in your future relationships. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So you need to go for that wisdom or learning in your situation today or in your past, whatever you faced. You should try and what to say, learn that lessons whatever happened to us, so that way we will not make the same mistakes again. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who have chosen the second card, that is the reading. So for those who have chosen this crystal and this card, let's see what it is. It is the poisoned apple, jealousy. So with this card, the energy is that maybe in your situation there is something tempting you, something which looks like a gift, wrapped up like a gift, but in truth it is a poison, guys, poison for your soul. So you need to think again and again before accepting that gift. So you need to refuse what is being presented to you, guys. Maybe it may be in the form of a relationship, or it may be in the form of some offers or opportunities. So you need to find your own way to power, knowledge, to love and wisdom. But if you have accepted that poisoned apple, do not be afraid. You will recover, guys, but the pain you go through is going to give you that gift of experience and clarity in your heart about your relationship, guys. So you are going to change for the better with that learning. So maybe it is time, if you can avoid, it is time you need to be very careful, guys. And you need to examine the sources of your information and ideas when you are getting some from people. And you should not have too much trust on anyone, or in any given circumstance. You should think twice before you step into some important decisions today, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys. So thank you for watching, guys. If you like this reading, I hope this reading resonates. If it does, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.